So let's start by plugging in the battery for the PA system. And we'll get the belt pack if this is what you want to use. Batteries in the correct polarity. Turn it on, press and hold for about a second. To enter the pairing process, press and hold the power button and the pair button simultaneously until it blinks or flashes. Turn on the PA system. The RF light will be blinking. Press the pair button to confirm. Once it's paired, you'll see a solid red or green RF light. Testing 1, 2. To pair the handheld, we'll insert the batteries. Turn off the PA system. Turn on the handheld. Press and hold the pairing button until it blinks or flashes. Turn on the PA system. RF light will be flashing again. Confirm by pressing the pairing button, and you should be paired. If you're switching between transmitters, you will have to do the same pairing process every single time.